What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to send PayPal payment links, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. Before we move on, it would mean so much if you hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, let's jump to it. So what's PayPal payment link? So when you type in on your search engine PayPal.me, basically, as you can see, PayPal.me payment link and profile. So link up and get paid. So your PayPal.me link makes it easy for friends to pay you. Just create your profile, get your link, share it, and you're ready to get paid, or let your friends search your handle on the app. So when you click create your link over here, so basically you can easily, as you can see, it's on App Store, PayPal, send, shop and manage. Over here you can just easily create it on the phone. So it's my PayPal. Basically it's for phone users, so quite an easy way. So as you can see, PayPal.me. Is PayPal.me different? PayPal.me is an easier way to get paid through PayPal. Just share your own PayPal.me link with others and they can send you money wherever they want. So how does it work? Get your link, make your profile and name your handle. This will act as your payment link. Pass it on, share your link in an email, a text, a chat, or on social media. Get paid. Friends and family can use your personal link to quickly send you money. So basically that's the way how to send PayPal payment links. Basically you need to download that app and just create PayPal.me account, which will automatically make your link, which you can make in the app, and just easily share it with people. And that's by far the easiest way somebody can send you money through the PayPal. They just press on the link, enter the amount of money, and that's the entirety of the process. So guys, basically that's it for today's video. As I mentioned, it would mean so much if you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the near future. Goodbye.